There's a famous saying by Alexander Pope, to err is human. Means if you're a human being, if you do any work, there are chances that you will make mistakes. Don't worry, I'm not going to provide the lectures on philosophy or some morality. This is the class of accountancy. Means if you do any accounting work, there are chances that you can make mistakes. Means errors. So if there is any error during the course of accounting and we find it, and we must find the solution to fix that problem, and that is called errors and their rectification. Errors means mistakes and rectification means to fix the mistake. Before I start this chapter, I would like to remind you the accounting cycle of accounting. First of all, transactions are recorded in subsidiary books, and on the basis of subsidiary books, ledger posting is done. I mean to say, ledgers are opened. And the book of ledgers is called principal book. It means after recording of subsidiary books, posting is done in the principal book. And on the basis of principal book, I mean to say on the basis of ledgers, trial balance is prepared, and on the basis of trial balance, final accounts are prepared. Final accounts means trading count, profit and loss count, and balance sheet. And these final accounts give us the picture of profit made during the year and the financial position of the firm at the end of the year. So let's assume that we are doing manual accounting. It's not a computerized accounting. So if you see at the accounting cycle, accounting is done at different stages, and any accountant can make the mistake at any stage. And if there is any mistake, I mean to say if there is any error, we have to fix it. I mean to say we have to rectify it. The cutting or overwriting is not allowed in accounting. Once you have written something, I mean to say in manual accounting, and later on you find that there has been some mistake. So instead of rectifying the problem or figure or amount or whatever it is, at that place, we have to pass a new journal entry to remove the effect of that old mistake. This is the rectification of errors. Means to pass on an entry which will remove the effect of some old mistake. Under this chapter, for our convenience, we are going to expand the accounting cycle. First of all, we are going to assume that the transactions are made by the owner of the firm, and that owner informs the first accountant about his transactions, and the first accountant makes the journal entry on the basis of instruction by the boss, I mean to say by the owner. And let's assume this accountant, first accountant, I mean to say who receives the instruction from the owner, he makes the journal entry on a plain slip and hands over the slip to the second accountant. And what is the job of second accountant? He records the transaction in the subsidiary books on the basis of journal entry. I mean to say the journal entry on the slip given by the first accountant. So first accountant makes the journal entry on a plain slip and hands over to the second accountant, and the second accountant records the transaction in subsidiary books on the basis of journal entry. And the duty of third accountant is the casting of books. Means he makes the totals of the subsidiary books. I mean to say purchases, purchase returns, sales returns, BR, BP, general proper, cash book. And when the casting is done, I mean to say the totals are done, the next accountant, I mean to say fourth accountant, does the ledger posting. So the duty of fourth accountant is ledger posting, and then the next accountant, I mean to say fifth accountant, makes the trial balance on the basis of closing balances of trial balance. And after the completion of trial balance, the next accountant, I am to say sixth accountant, makes final accounts. What we have done, we have expanded this accounting cycle a bit for our convenience so that we can understand the questions well. So we are going to assume that there are 6 accountants plus 1 owner. Owner makes the transaction and 6 accountants do the accounting job. So during the course of accounting, any accountant can make the error. So first of all, we have to find which accountant has made the error, and the next stage will be how to rectify that error. And the other theoretical aspects of the errors and their rectification, I am to say this chapter, we'll discuss after all these practical questions. And we are going to assume that second accountant, I am to say the accountant who does the recording in the subsidiary books, he is a perfect accountant. He will never make a mistake. And the fifth accountant who makes the trial balance, he is a perfect accountant. He will never make the mistake. And the sixth accountant who makes final accounts, he is also perfect accountant. He will never make mistake. So the error can be made by first accountant or third accountant or fourth accountant. I am to say the error can be made at journal entry or casting of the books or at the time of ledger posting. So let's do some practical questions in the next segment.